Have you seen this on YouTube Shorts where you can link now to regular videos or other YouTube Shorts? Today I'm teaching all about YouTube's related video feature for YouTube Shorts that's going to allow you to get more views and more subscribers to your channel. I'm going to dish how you can use the related features app and then the 4 ways that I recommend that you use it in order to better scale your channel and get more people to convert from Shorts viewers to subscribers, which we've seen be an issue in the past. So let's solve that problem together with the related features button. Are you ready? Let's dive in. What's up, it's Danie, your guide to authentic video. If you haven't yet, grab my starting on YouTube cheat sheet and let's get started. So let's go through step by step how you can get a link in your YouTube Shorts like this. 5 things I wish I knew before I started my YouTube. Of the over 600 people that voted on this poll, what percentage? So let's upload a YouTube short in the YouTube app. So I'm gonna go to my YouTube app, hit the plus button, and then I'm gonna click on a short that I have ready to go and hit next. Then from there, I'll hit next again if this is something that I've already edited. And if you wanna know how I make my YouTube shorts, check out step by step this video. But anyway, I'm gonna go in and I'm going to add an enticing title to the short. And I'm gonna change the cover to make it more interesting. And then I'm gonna have it be unlisted and I'm just gonna hit done. And then I will upload the short. Then from there, I need to go to my desktop on my computer, my YouTube studio. So once I'm in my YouTube studio on my desktop, I'm going to hit content and then I'm going to go to the short that I just uploaded and I will hit this details button. Now from here, I'm gonna go through and I'll add a description, all the things to my short. And if you don't know how to do that, again, check out my step-by-step how I upload my shorts. But I would add in some information here and then I would come to this button, the related video button. And I'm gonna hit this and I'm gonna pick the video that this short most relates to. So this YouTube short refers to my long form video, I audited your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna hit that and then I will save it. It will look like this and then I can click that link and it will take me to the other video. So cool. Now that you know how to use the related video feature in YouTube Shorts, let's talk about the 4 ways that are gonna best drive traffic from your shorts to your other videos. These are the 4 ways that I highly recommend to all my YouTube coaching clients to do. Number 1, if you already have YouTube Shorts that are doing well for your channel, let's say you have some YouTube Shorts that are getting a lot of views, add a related video link to another video to keep people on your channel for longer. Especially helpful if you can get people from your YouTube Shorts to your long form videos. We know that long form videos, it's much easier to get monetized. You make a lot more ad revenue. And so if your shorts are getting views, let's also get people over to the long form videos, your regular YouTube videos that you put so much time and effort into. So what I would do is I would go to my channel and then I would hit shorts. And then from there, I'm gonna hit popular and I'm gonna see what are my most popular shorts. And one of my most popular shorts is how to make a YouTube short in a minute. And so what I'll do is I'll go in and I will find that video. I'll hit the pencil button and then I'm going to add a related video to it because this video is already doing really well. It's showing up on the search engine for shorts and also just in general on the YouTube feed, which is awesome. And so I'm gonna pick a video that relates to this. So this needs to be a long form video on shorts. So I might do for this my growth secrets. I think that's a good one. Or these YouTube shorts get views. I'm gonna do my more recent one. I'm gonna hit that and then I am going to save it. So I recommend you do this with all of your best performing shorts. Add a related YouTube video that can go along with it to keep people on your content for longer. The next way I recommend using the related video YouTube Shorts feature is making YouTube Shorts that share one tip from your long form videos and then referencing that people can then watch the full video and get more of your tips or uncover more truths or whatever juicy things that you have to share in the video and reference it. I'm gonna play for you a clip of how I did this that I would recommend that you can do too. I audited my followers' YouTube channels recently and almost everyone was making these 3 mistakes. Number 1, your titles are way too boring. They're not enticing enough. This is keeping you from getting more clicks and even hurting your search engine optimization. Learn how to fix this and the other 2 most common mistakes by clicking this video. And under 10 minutes, I'm gonna help you transform your YouTube. So you can see in the clip, I share just one aspect of the video, and then I tell people that they can get more of it by clicking the link below. This is a great way to engage people to staying on your platform and getting people into those long form videos that you spend a lot of hard work and time on. I made this short in literally like 2 minutes. You could even shoot this after you film a long form video. You could shoot the short and then you could schedule it out to go live the next day after the regular long form video has gone live. Then you can schedule out the short that promotes it the next day, or even maybe a couple hours after it's gone live. Now, if you want more tips on what types of shorts get views, be sure to check out this video after this. The third way that I recommend that you use the YouTube Shorts related video feature is repurposing your long form video using AI. There are a lot of softwares that do this, but I like video.ai because it's free. So this is the one that I tell clients that they can check out and use. But what you can do is you can grab the link from your latest long form video, regular video, and copy it, and then go to video.ai, hit import video, and then enter the link and hit start import. Now from there, what it will do is it will load, and then it will actually create little shorts for you, and you can download them and upload them really easily onto YouTube. So you can see here, it'll take different clips. And it's not perfect, so it won't always drag the parts that are the best, but you can play around with it. And so I could pick one of these, I could edit it and download it, and then from there, I could upload it to my YouTube Shorts and then add the related video that it's referencing within that clip. The fourth way that I highly recommend that you use the related video YouTube Shorts feature is to do part 1 and part 2 YouTube Shorts and use the related feature button in order for people to be able to click into the next short that applies if you're doing like a shorts series. For example, I love to watch fashion vloggers, and there's one fashion vlogger in particular that will always say, go see the outfit change in part 2, and then I'll go to her YouTube Shorts and there's like so many different videos, I can't find part 2. Now with the related video feature, she could easily just link part 2 right there so people could easily click on it, and boom, she has people staying on her channel for longer. It creates, again, more bingeable content, and it's a great way to kind of take people through a series. So if you want to have multiple tips or a series within your YouTube Shorts, the related features button makes it so much easier to do that and causes a lot less frustration for your audience. Now that you have the lowdown, if this video was so helpful for you, please give it a thumbs up. That's so helpful for me. Also, be sure to check out my YouTube video all about AI that you can be using to better scale your channel while you wait for next week's video. All right, see you next time. Bye.